Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today we are going to see goto and exit function in C programming language. So goto and exit function. So first of all, we'll see what exactly mean by goto statement. This is a keyword. It is a keyword. It is used to transfer, as the name suggests, go to means just go to that particular location. So it is used to transfer a program control to specified location. Whatever the location is specified by the programmer, right? You just go to that position, right? So this basically go to statement is it is a jumping statement. It's a jump statement only. Like your break and continue, this go to is also jumping statement which jumps from one particular location to another locations. Okay, so here sometimes this go to is also used to repeat a number of statements for some particular condition. It is also used like your loops, right? It is going to repeat some particular number of times. But this goto is not that much is useful nowadays because of some readability problem. And sometimes it go for the infinity times execution also. So better nowadays they are not going to use most of them this go to statement, but we should know the exactly what exactly mean by the go to statement and what is the use of this go to statement. So here we'll see the syntax of go to statement. It's very easy. Simply write go to is a keyword. In front of that, we'll write a label. This is the declaration of your go to. And whenever I want to use, for example, this label, then colon and followed by some statements here. That means the cursor, whenever it will see this go to label, the control will directly jump to this particular label, which is a specified location given by the programmer. Now, whenever we talk about go to, there are two kind of categories of this go to statement, right? One is called as forward jump or forward go to, and second is backward jump or backward go to. That means what? If I mention like this is called as a forward go to because first go to is coming, right? I'm saying here from go to, okay, fine, go to this particular location. So it comes from here to this place. So this is called as a forward. Sometimes what happen? There may be a case like, for example, I'll write label here, colon, followed by some statements, XYZ statements. And then here I am writing go to, right? Not colon here. Suppose that label. Now in this case, what happened exactly? Now in this case, the cursor, see, go to label. So it is moving from this position to this position. So this is called as a backward jump. This is called as a forward jump. So where we are using this go to statement, depending upon that there are two categories. One is it's categorized for forward jump and backward jump. Okay, in short, we'll see one program based on this go to statement to know the exact execution of this particular statement. So for that, I'll open up the editor. We'll see the program for go to statement. Then we'll take a small program to understand the logic behind this particular statement. Void main. And suppose if I want to write anything, for example, printf, mm, hello, I'm Venugopal, for example. And suppose here I will write printf. backslash n. Welcome to C programming tutorial. Suppose these are the two statements which I want to execute. If I'll execute this, before that I need to save. In Dev C++ is mandatory. Go to enter. Okay, if I'll execute this, I know you'll get the simple output. Hello, I'm Venugopal and welcome to C programming tutorial. Now, in between this, just I want to tell the how the control is jumping from one location to another. Go to suppose down and semicolon. And suppose here at the end, I'll write what down and colon. I'm writing something. For example, if I want to write here, you can write down here printf backslash n. Oh, the control is transfer. Simple something message, okay? Just to understand the how it is working, right? Before this go to, okay, after hello, I am Venugopal. It has printed the next line that is welcome to C program. Now observe, in between I have placed this go to. Now after this go to, as soon as it will see this down, it will directly jump to that particular location, skipping these statements, and it will execute this one. So let us check. See, hello, I'm Venugopal, and directly to, oh, the control is transferred. That is what the use of go to statement. If I'll do reverse, right, you can do that, no issue. Suppose I'll cut this one, Control X, I'll put here, Control V, go to, and here suppose semicolon, and here we need to write what? Colon. This is called as a backward jump. What happened exactly? Hello, I'm Venugopal. Then it prints what? Welcome to C tutorial. Then comes here down. As soon as it will see, it will again jump to this only. And the loop is go on continuous. So it may be enter into the infinite loop. That is what the disadvantage of this go to statement. See, welcome to C programming tutorial, and it's continuously revolving around that only. So it goes down. See, if you observe this cursor, it's getting down continuously. This is what the disadvantage of your go to statement. For that reason, generally the people are avoiding this statement by using. Okay, so that's it about this go to statement. Then quickly we will move on to the next one, that is exit function. We'll see what exactly mean by exit. So before that exit, what is the use of this exit? It stops the current process immediately. As this exit function is encountered in your program, what it will do? It immediately stop the execution of the program. Right? If you'll see the syntax of this exit, syntax is very easy. Void exit, and in the bracket it will take a one integer variable. Exit, it will take an integer variable. If everything goes smooth, then the argument of this exit will be 0, like this. If there may be a chance of occurring in errors, then there would be other than 0 number. Okay, the purpose of exit statement is what? Only one thing, it will stop immediately the execution of the program. It sends the signals to the parent process. Okay, fine. Now don't execute, don't take any commands, just terminate the program. So whenever you're using exit statement, you need to include the string std header file, stdlib dot h header file, because the definition of this exit function has been written inside this header file. So we need to include what? Hash include stdlib.h whenever you're using this exit function. So in the same program only, I will demonstrate this for exit. For example, here I'll remove this one, and here I will write like this is for exit function. Okay. So after printing this hello, I am Venugopal and welcome to C programming. I want to use here exit and I will pass the argument as 0. Okay. And we know that whenever the exit will be encountered, that means what, it immediately terminates the program. That means we are not expecting this. Oh, the control is transferred, or I will say, oh, the program is terminated. For example, I'll change this message. Relevant. Oh, the program is terminated. It's not going to execute. And whenever we're using this exit function, we need to include what? stdlib library dot h function. Save it. If I'll execute, what happened? Execute exactly. We'll see. We are getting only two. Hello, I am Venugopal and welcome to C program. We are not able to print this one because as soon as the moment the control will execute this exit statement, it will exit the program. If I'll place this function here, Control X. If I'll place here, Control V. So all these three statements are going to be printed on the output. See, if I'll place this exit statement on the above, let us check what exactly happened here. Main function is going to be execute, of course. After that, we are placing this exit function. So no statement is going to be executed in the output. So that is what the user at any point of time in your program, if you want to exit from the program, then this is a better option to use. So I hope you have got an idea of go to statement as well as this exit statement. These all statements comes under your jump statements. These are also called as jump statements. If anybody asks you what do you mean by jump statements and which functions or which keywords are comes under this what jump statement. So break, continue, go to and exit. So that's it. We'll meet in our next video. So keep watching till then. Bye bye.